So some other things that I've been wanting to do in the kitchen, it basically was in my silverware drawers, and I have 2 of them because I have lots of silverware. And by lots of silverware, it's like different things. I also have chopsticks and soup spoons for when I'm having more Asian meals, or in my case, ramen. No shame in ramen, no shame. It's just the way it is. So I wanted to kind of reorganize the way that the drawers are organized. And in one drawer, I have a bamboo silverware organizer with a dollar tree organizer, and these are all like the servingware, teaspoons, sugar spoons. And in this drawer, it's all basically Dollar Tree organization, and there's nothing wrong with that. I just want to try to combine all of it, try to combine the silverware into one drawer, and then have the other one for knives. So I'd like to get the knife block off the counter and have it right here in the drawer, just because I like the knife block. It's just when I'm trying to clean the countertops, it's heavy and big and awkward, and I'm afraid I'm going to drop it on my toe or drop all the knives. As you can see, bamboo organizer. This is like my main silverware drawer, and it has all the regular silverware. I'm missing a bunch of forks because they're probably in the dishwasher waiting to get washed. But this one has straws, and my metal straws are too big for the canister. My chopsticks are over here, and I have little cheaters because I have muscle issues with my hand. I have little like dessert server spoons things. So I am using what I'm using for these, and this is the Joseph & Joseph drawer organizer, and I'm hoping that, yes, perfect. My drawers are all a little not the same size, so I'm sitting here hoping that when I ordered these that everything will fit well.
You can take me high. The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
Okay. Now the way I am separating it, the knives, of course, I have plenty of knives and can split them across. But I have the larger forks and larger spoons, and I keep them separate because my mom prefers having the smaller utensils, and that's because she has mouth problems, basically, so it just helps her to have the smaller ones where things are not hitting her in the back of the mouth. And I am taking out of this one the little spoons, little forks, little knives over here.
Yeah, we got the summer forever.
how the silverware drawer is organized. I have spoons, and it's big, small. Forks, big, small. There are no small ones because they're in the wash. My regular butter knives. The miscellaneous serving utensils are right here. And then I have little forks, little spoons, teaspoons, sugar spoons, butter knives, or butter spreaders, and then grapefruit spoons for the cat cans, straws, chopsticks, and then spoons for the Asian type stuff. Then I have a tea ball to steep tea, and then little spoon over here. And for this drawer, I'm going to put the knife organizer, and I have already put knives in here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and give all these knives a little breathing room because they all can use a little bit of space. They are a bit dusty from the dusting that has been going on in this house. The only thing it doesn't hold would be the sharpener and the kitchen scissors, but I can make room for that here. So I'm going to empty out this drawer. And I have two pairs of scissors because sometimes I will use this just to open up bags and this one to cut up meat. And so this one, it's better to cut up meat because it actually comes apart and you can get into the nooks and crannies. This one I've just had forever, and I love the scissors. It says Office Companion, but I've had these for years and I love these scissors.
Remember when you told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back.
I'm wondering if I have one of these in a smaller size that will fit right here, that I can put all of the bag stuff. So let me go try to see if I can find one. Now I found two canisters. They need to be cleaned out. This one was in my bathroom and held like a face cream in one and my eye drops in another section, and I had more in there, but I threw stuff out the last bathroom declutter. And then this actually was in my bathroom as well and held my nail polishes. I don't really use nail polishes anymore, so that will fit just perfectly, but so will that. The problem is that this one doesn't fit. It would fit in that one. It's standing up, yes.
Summer's end, and you feel that this is your beginning. Will colors fade, but it's okay. There is good in changes. Go run away, get it out of your system.
order to get these to stay in this drawer previously, I used sticky tack and sticky tack the bottoms. So I'm going to do the same thing to this one, and this one already has it on there, so I'm just going to push it on. Okay, to keep it from moving around. So there we had a clean out of my utensil drawers. I do have 2 other drawers on the other side of the kitchen that's over by the stove. That's for baking and cooking parts, you know, they're utensils for that. So this is mainly just the eating utensils that I was cleaning out, and kind of like the miscellaneous kitchen gadgets, the chip bags, the extra coffee filters for my single serve coffee, and the little water cup for my egg cooker, and the scissors. So I'm now living with this utensil set for, not utensil set, but the caddies that for the utensils for a couple weeks now. I am actually truly enjoying it. I love having the knife block off the counter and into a drawer, and being able to have all of my silverware basically into one actual drawer, and being able to see what I have available to use and what's dirty and stuff like that. So that is it for this video. It was a very short one, so I hope you enjoyed it. And we have one more, I believe. I have yet to finish filming the kitchen home repair stuff, but we have one more for the kitchen, which will be the final video with the, like, all the extra stuff that I've done for this time frame. We will have another home repair video for the kitchen later when I go to start redoing the kitchen cabinets. And by redoing the kitchen cabinets, it means stripping the polyurethane and the stain and trying to stain the cabinets a whiter color, and trying to make the kitchen a little bit more brighter, and getting rid of the medium toned wood color from the kitchen cabinets. It's just, with that one window on that one wall being in the kitchen, I just want the kitchen to be bright and light, and I always feel like it's so dark in the kitchen. But that is it, like I said, for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it the like button. If you are not subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, so that way you are notified every single time I post a video. I do try to post a weekly reset clean with me video every single Monday at 8 o'clock, and then these types of videos on the miscellaneous home repairs or budgeting or any of that type of stuff on Fridays at 8 o'clock as well. Again, if you liked it, hit that like button, and I will check back next time. Bye, everybody.
On the pavement, yeah. No sleep in my body. Last night got me wasted.